Station, this is Houston. Are you ready for the event?
Houston, this is Station. We are ready for event.
Please begin farewell remarks at your convenience.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I want to say my congratulations for Crew 7. Your expedition 69 almost done successfully. Crew 6, sorry. Crew 6. And
too many.
so fast. Okay, Steve, Sultan, Woody, Andrei, my congratulations. We had a lot of nice moment during our flight. At least we had 10 EVAs in half year. I think it's very amazing result. And I want to say thank you so much for your friendship. Supporting, we work together everywhere, very, very good. And I wish you safe returning to Earth, and I'm looking forward to meet you on Earth as friends, like we had it here on station, and exactly we have to meet together for celebrating our returning. Easy rehabilitation, and good luck. See you on Earth.
And thank you, Sergey, and we greatly appreciate you all have been incredible hosts, Sergey, Dima, and Frank. You were here when we got here, well experienced. You carried us along. You've been an incredible example for us to follow, and a great teachers. And I think we've learned a lot from you and your crew as you continue your mission. You know, Crew 7 is here now. They will learn from you and carry on all the great work that you've helped us do along the way. When we showed up here 6 months ago, it was a new experience for all of us. I'd been to space, but I'd never been on a long-duration mission, and this has been an absolutely incredible experience. And it's been a great opportunity to watch my amazing crewmates as they've come along, and looking forward to everything that they'll be doing in the future. And we'll see each other all back on Earth at some point in the next 6 months to a year. Hopefully you guys sooner. And I'll pass it over to Woody.
Thanks, Steve. Well, it's certainly been the experience of a lifetime and a real honor to get to spend 6 months, 6 incredibly short-feeling months, living and working aboard this incredible orbiting outpost. I think we got a lot done. We started off with SpaceX 27 right away, a cargo vehicle full of science. Later we had the SpaceX 28 mission as well. We welcomed a visiting Axiom crew on board. We did 3 spacewalks amongst our Crew 6. We birthed the Cygnus vehicle. We did a lot of maintenance, and hopefully we're leaving the space station just a little bit better than we found it. I definitely want to recognize Frank, Sergey, and Dima. As Steve mentioned, you guys had an unexpected failure of one of the spacecraft up here well into your mission, and you were extended from 6 months to a year, and you guys have handled that situation with incredible grace. Frank, as the USOS lead, has been such an amazing leader, and I will just always remember how you guys handled that situation. And thanks for all the wonderful times, many great chess games, Sergey. It's been a lot of fun. So we're definitely looking forward to our return. And for me as a rookie flyer, the final part of that unique life experience, decelerating from 17,500 miles an hour down to hopefully a great splashdown.
You want Sal to speak? Well, thanks, Steve. Thanks, Woody. And Sergey, thanks so much for your leadership. Thanks for the wonderful time we spent here. Amazing time. 6 months. It felt really quick. As you mentioned, guys, we did a lot. We did EVAs, science, maintenance. We had fun. We had a good outreach with many people around the world. So it was really amazing. especially for my region. I come from a place where the space flights, human space flights, were stopped for more than 30 years, and I felt that I'm responsible, obligated to show what's happening on board the station. I think it's a small boost towards spreading the enthusiasm in our region. I can't be really happier with the time I was here doing everything possible, and it was really incredible time. And I would like to thank also Dima for the wonderful times as well. Special thanks to Frank, an incredible leader, incredible friend and host, and basically everything was wonderful. And we always get to answer some questions if we want to fly together again. And I always say 100%. I would love to do it again. And for the new comers, enjoy every part of it. It's amazing. It's kind of an experience of a lifetime. I know Andy and Satoshi arrived to this place before, but I think every time you can find something interesting to do, and especially looking down to earth. And allow me to say a few words in Arabic. شكرا للجميع، شكرا لكل من ساعدنا في إنجاز المهمة هذه 6 أشهر. حقيقة من الأبحاث العلمية والأشياء اللي سويناها على متن المحطة كانت جدا رائعة. شاركنا المجتمع علوم الفضاء وأهمية الفضاء وليش نحن نروح للفضاء كبشرية. نحن نعمل هنا كعائلة وحدة لأهداف سامية وهي منفعة البشرية. الحمد لله الله وفقنا في قضاء 6 أشهر، كانت سريعة، ولكن هذه مش النهاية، راح تتبعها بإذن الله مهمات أخرى في المستقبل القريب. وتابعونا وبنستمر كذلك في نشر العلوم لما نرجع للأرض، ونشوفكم إن شاء الله على خير. شكرا جزيلا.
So how to add something? You told about all things, but I would like to say thank you MCC Houston, Munich, to Kuba, Hansville, Moscow. Thank you for your support. Sometimes we had a problem, but you all time can help us. And also, I would like to say thank you our families, our friends who support us too. Yeah. Thank you. И по-русски, да. Спасибо. Ну, действительно, очень сложно добавить что-то ко всему вышеизложенному, потому что очень много ребят все сказали. Поэтому я хочу сказать большое спасибо всем, особенно всем ЦУПам, всем тем, кто управлял, помогал нам в работе. Вам большое спасибо. Даже когда у нас были какие-то трудности, вы всегда нам приходите на помощь. Без вас, конечно, было бы гораздо тяжелее. Ну и летать, конечно, совсем практически невозможно. Вот. И также большое спасибо нашим семьям и друзьям, близким, коллегам, кто просто поддерживал нас все эти полгода в нашей нелегкой работе. Спасибо.
All right, Crew 6, amazing job. Steve, Woody, Sultan, Andre, we are all honored to have flown with you guys. You guys truly exemplified the professionalism that all of our agencies strive for. And most importantly, you're all amazing human beings, like just great people. This was a fun 6 months. And yeah, we're going to miss you guys, but we're looking forward to seeing you back on Earth. Great job.
Prison face.
Thank you, Station, and especially Crew 6. Station, we are now resuming operational audio communications.